Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first, let's launch the Google application, and after that click here on the right upper corner, then tap into the settings and click to the Google Assistant section. Now just scroll down to the general options, and here you will see the Google Assistant switcher. Just to activate it, click here once and then confirm your action by click to turn on. And now, as you can see, the Google Assistant feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.